Hey guys, Tech Ranger with a quick tip video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on your flashlight on your iPhone using Siri. So what you need to do, this is how you do it. It's really simple. First thing is we need to ensure that Siri is turned on by going to your setting of our iPhone and then go to Siri and search. And we need to ensure that under here, either Siri or Hey Siri is selected. And also if you want Siri by using that side button, you want to turn that on as well. That's optional. But we need to ensure that Siri is turned on. And once it's turned on, all we need to do in order to get it to turn on the flashlight is just issue the command, "Hey Siri, turn my flashlight on." And as you can see here, it turned on our flashlight just like that. It's saying it's on. And then if we want to turn it off, same exact process. Now we just say, "Hey Siri, turn my flashlight off." It's off now, and as you can see here, the flashlight has been turned on. So that's how you do it. Really simple and easy to do. If you want to go ahead and try it, go ahead and give it a go and let us know how that goes. And I hope you guys found this tip useful and helpful. So please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks just like this. See you guys next time.